इंडिया की प्रेसिडेंट द्रौपदी मुर्मुना लमदम असिगी लाई ओइख्रबी अथौबी इमासिंगदा इकाई खुमनबु उत्तुना नुपी लान निंगसिंग थौरमदा सरुक याख्रे खुनाई अमा अचुंबा लंबीदा पुरकपा ngambagi sakti nupi singda lei haibasi nupi lana utli haina प्रेसिडेंट द्रौपदी मुर्मुना मणिपुर की नुपी सिंगबु सिंगथाख्रे नुमित निनी की खोंगचता मणिपुर लाखिबी प्रेसिडेंट द्रौपदी मुर्मु ngasi स्टेट की थाकता पांगथोकपा नुपी लान निंगसिंग थौरमदा सरुक याखी नुपी लान निंगसिंग थौरमगा मरी लैनना नुपी लान मेमोरियल कॉम्प्लेक्स लाक्तुना मफम अदुदा लैबा नुपी लान निंगसिंग खुबमदा हैकत लैकत तमदुना ब्रिटिश की मायोक्ता थौना फन्ना थेंगनखिबी लमदम असिगी लाई ओइख्रबी नुपी सिंगी मफमदा हैकत लैकत तमदुना इकाई खुमनबा उतखी तुंगदा श्री श्री गोविंदजी की लाइफम लैंड चतुना गोविंदजी खुरुमलबा मतुंग सेनापति डिस्ट्रिक्ट हेडक्वार्टर्स दा लैबा मिनी सेक्रेटरिएट कॉम्प्लेक्स दा पांगथोकदबा थौरम अमदा सरुक यानबा इम्फाल थादोखी मणिपुर की गवर्नर अजय कुमार बल्ला याउना लैंगा की मकोक थोंगबा ऑफिशियल कयाना सरुक यादुना डिस्ट्रिक्ट असिगी मिनी सेक्रेटरिएट कॉम्प्लेक्स दा लैबा मल्टीपर्पस हॉल दा पांगथोकपा थौरम अदुदा प्रेसिडेंट द्रौपदी मुर्मुना हाई ngasi asi nupi lan ningsing numitni ningsing thoram asi nation gi thakta pangthokli khunai ama achumba lambida purakpa ngambagi sakti nupi singda lei haibagi khudam nupi lana utli manipur asi nat ki pukai inak khunba lamdam amani masigi khudam district asi dasu mayek sengna mamitari district asi da khundari ba maram tribe asi yamna top topa machat leijaba tribe amani tribe asi state asigi oina amata ngairaba particularly vulnerable tribal groups PBTZ gi kanglupta chanba phurup amani phurup asigi top top machat asina leibak asigi tribal singi diversity da masak thokpa mafam ama kanba ngamli maram aduna phurup asi chawkhatnaba honaba yamnamak mathau tai government of India na PM Janman Mission की मखादा पाइखलिबा तोंगान तोंगान बा थौसिलसिना फुरुप असिदा अचौबा ngaklo ama pigani thajai ngasi ure puyung tamliba amadi sangariba tonga tongan ba project singa sina furup asida achoba kana ba ama soidana fanghallagani haina mahangna phongdokhi mahangna makhata na hai manipur gi pangal lingjel asi state asi gi diversity nat lon amadi chanabi dalai masak thokpa manipur ama sagalakli ba ching amadi tam asi maihoro dagi laiminaraklabani ching tam animak lamdam asi gi aseng balani lamdam asida khundaminariba kanglup phurup khudingmak amana amagi mateng pangnaduna amadi wakhal tanaduna tangdu leitaba amadi ingtapa lamdam ama ohenaba khonasi government of India na manipur miyam gi ihul ningthina khangi hainasu mahakna makhata ki thoram aduda president Draupadi Murmu na district asida paikhatkadaba tongan tongan ba project taret sangarambaga loinana project manga urep uyung tamlamki mahaki khongchat aduda district aduda laiba IDP singa unaduna wari sanaki senapati dagi halaklaba matong ngasi nungthil pung 3:95 rom tarakpa duaida president Draupadi Murmu imphal thadoki.
Today the nation commemorates the Nupi Lal Memorial Day. Nupi Lal is a prime example of the power of female voice in bringing about positive social change. Ladies and gentlemen, Manipur has a rich cultural diversity with large number of tribal communities. I am happy to note that this diversity is also evident in the Senapati district. I am told that this district is home to several tribes. I have attended a reception at Tafunaga village where I was accorded a warm welcome by the representatives of tribal communities of Senapati district. I also interacted with the internally displaced persons. The Moram tribe is recognized as a particularly vulnerable tribal group. It is the only PBTG in Manipur. The unique culture and traditions of Moram tribe contribute significantly to India's tribal diversity. Therefore, this tribal community deserves focused attention, affirmative support, and sustained development efforts. Under PM Janman Mission, a series of initiatives have been launched. These are specifically designed in uplift PBTGs through improved access to healthcare, expansion of education, housing support, livelihood promotion, skill development, infrastructure creation in remote habitations. We have just witnessed the transformative work underway in this district under the PM Janman through a short film. I am confident that initiatives being undertaken under this mission will further improve the lives of tribal communities, especially the PBTGs. Ladies and gentlemen, dignity, security and growth opportunities for tribal communities of Manipur and ensuring their greater participation in the country's progress is a national priority. The Government of India is working closely with local leaders, civil society and communities to ensure that development in the Manipur is inclusive and sustainable. The Government of India is committed to ensure that development reaches every corner of the country. The government is giving special attention to the development of remote tribal regions. In recent years, the hill districts of Manipur have benefited from focused investments in areas such as road and bridge connectivity, including national highways and rural roads, healthcare, education, drinking water, and electricity supply. Livelihood programs such as skill training, SSGs, and Bandhan are improving the quality of life of people. These efforts are a reflection of the government's commitment to supporting tribal communities while respecting their unique identity and traditions. I am happy to have inaugurated various development projects. I am confident that these projects will contribute to strengthening education, security, healthcare, and community infrastructure of the area. I am also happy to have laid the foundation stones for institutional buildings. I hope that on completion, these initiatives will improve lives of thousands of families in the area and bring essential services closer to remote communities. Ladies and gentlemen, Manipur's strength lies in its diversity, its culture, languages, and traditions. The hills and the valley have always complemented each other. Like two sides of the same beautiful land, I urge all communities to continue supporting the efforts for peace, understanding, and reconciliation. The Government of India recognizes the aspirations of the people of Manipur. I understand with total empathy your concern and your desire for a peaceful and prosperous future. I reiterate the Government of India's commitment to the well-being and progress of the people of Manipur, including the people of the region. Let us continue working together for a peaceful and prosperous Manipur.